Hi, this is Clinton D'Souza, and now is the news uncut update. Well, Goa to witness heavy to heavy rainfall in next 48 hours. The IMD has warned heavy to heavy rainfall over next 48 hours due to two weather systems affecting Goa. These are the well-marked low pressure region and offshore throw. Winds of speed of nearly 40 to 50 kilometers are expected along the coastline. Watch to what the IMD official has to say.
Rainfall activity over Goa was normal in the past 24 hours. The highest rainfall reported in past 24 hours was 5 cm over Sangli, and the second highest was 3 cm over Valpoi. Panji reported 1 cm of rainfall, and remaining stations also reported rainfall between 1 to 2 centimeters. As on today, there are two weather systems which are affecting the rainfall over Goa, which are actually increasing the weather rainfall over Goa. The first one is called a well-marked low pressure region that is situated over Saurashtra, and the second one is called offshore trough, which is running from Gujarat coast to Kerala coast. So these two systems are actually increasing the rainfall activity over Goa, and today and some part of the day tomorrow also we are going to experience increased rainfall over Goa. So because of the effect of these two systems along with rainfall, there will be winds of speed 40 to 50 km per hour along the coast. Regarding the heavy rainfall warning, IMD has issued a heavy rainfall warning for Goa region for coming 48 hours as well. So heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters in 24 hours, is very likely at a few places over North and South Goa today. Along with that, there is a possibility of very heavy rainfall also. That means rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours. So this condition is going to persist for around 48 hours. After that, rainfall activity is going to get slightly reduced. Now regarding the fisherman warning, like I told, because of these two systems, the wind speed within the distance of 75 kilometers from the coast is going to be approximately 50 to 60 km per hour over the sea. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea on 7th of July, not even within 75 kilometers from the coast. And in the coming days, that is from 8th onwards, wind speed will be higher of the order of 50 to 60 km per hour over regions which are beyond 75 kilometers from the coastal area. So on 7th, fishermen are requested not to venture into sea at all, and from 8th onwards they are requested not to venture into areas which are beyond 75 kilometers from coastal line, which are falling under East Central Arabian Sea. Now regarding the total rainfall that Goa has received till now in this season, Goa has received 142 centimeters of rainfall against a normal value of 114. So that means approximately 25% of extra rainfall Goa has received till now. Like I told, there is warning of heavy rainfall for Goa for the coming 2 days as well. We would request public to get updated about the latest set of weather warnings, fisherman warnings from our website as well as from our social media platforms.
Goa has been witnessing heavy showers in last 24 hours and many tragedies have been reported across the state. As of Monday, a huge tree fell down at the Ambedkar Circle in the capital city on Monday evening, leaving traffic blockage and damaging few vehicles parked near the area. Watch these visuals. Areas in Kepe, Sange and Dharbandora will be completely sanitized on priority, says the Power Minister Nilesh Kabra. On Monday, the minister along with the Mamledar, the police and other officials held a meeting to discuss the sanitization process in these areas. He also said that people should be cautious of everything and every move that they take so as the number of cases of COVID-19 are increasing in the state. Watch to what he has to say.
जे इन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑनरेबल सीएमान दिल्ले आसा जे म्हाका जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आशिल्ली टू टेक सेन्सिटायझेशन मिटिंग्स विथ 3 तालुकास केपें सांगे आनी धारबांदोरा 2 मिटिंगा जाले तिसरे मिटींग आतां चालू जातली हे सेन्सिटायझेशन करपाक विथ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज जरी तरी आज मामलेदार डेप्युटी कलेक्टर पुलीस इन्स्पेक्टर्स पुलीस स्टेशनाचे स्टाफ हेल्थ ऑफिसर सगळे वांगडी काम करता पण खंय तरी लोक म्हाका दिसता वी हॅव टू नाव फोकस ऑन लोकांचें कॉपरेशन सोसायटीचें कॉपरेशन आनी ह्यो गोश्टी जावपाक एक सेन्सिटायझेशन करपाक जे थोडे गायडलायन्स हांवें सांगलेले आसा नॉट दॅट दे नेवर डुईंग बट नाव विथ रिन्यूड विगर्स आनी फायनींग लोकांक 100 रुपया फायन ही थोडी दिसता तांकां मारपाक आज जे डिसिजन घेतला की हे ऑब्जर्व करून फाल्यां जर 7 दिसां भितर जर इम्प्रुवमेंट जायना आनी सकयल केसीस जायना लकीली आमच्या एरिया भितर व्हडलीशी केसीस ना पूण अशेंच कंटिन्यू जावपाक आमकां स्ट्रिक्ट रावूंक पडटलें लोकांनी स्ट्रिक्ट रावूंक पडटलें आनी जे 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 हे आमचे दुकानवाले आसा तांकां मास्क घालपाचे ताका एक मेमोरंडम दिवपाक लायिल्लो आसा पुलिशेक सांगलां की एक्टीव जावन फायन मारपाचें गरज पडलेले गव्हर्मेंट वील ऑल्सो थिंक ऑफ अरेस्टिंग पीपल हू आर हॅबिच्युअल ऑफेंडर्स ही गोश्ट आतां आमी सरकाराक हांव सांगतलो दुसरी गोश्ट जी आसा जाल्यार जे म्हाका कळून येयला की लग्ना कडेन ही लग्नां बी जाता ते लोक चड जाता सो ऑलरेडी डेप्युटी कलेक्टर हॅज बीन टोल्ड दॅट इट इज हिज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थोडे परमिशन घेता थोडे परमिशन घेना सो वेर दे नॉट ए परमिशन दे वील एक्ट ऑन इट आनी 50 लोकां वयर जर आसा जाल्यार लग्नूय बंद करतले त्या वाठारान कित्याक आतां जी आमकां हिस्ट्री मेळ्ळ्या खंय तरी लग्नाक जी गेले जशें हांगा फातोर्पा केसीस जाल्या लग्ना वयल्यान केसीस जाल्ल्यो आसा सो लोकांनी म्हाका दिसता थंय लग्न जावचें एमएची गायडलायन सांगता इट शूड नॉट मोर दॅन 50 आनी आपणाचें सोशल डिस्टन्सींग मेंटेन करून करचें दुसरे फ्युनरल्स जे आमी पळयला की 1-2 केसी आमकां सापडल्या ड्युरींग फ्युनरल्स गेल्ले कडेन की खंय तरी कोण एक्सपायर जाला ताका गर्दी करून ते वयता सो नाव ऑल्सो दीस स्ट्रिक्टली बी मॉनिटर बाय पुलीस मामदार्स दॅट दीस थिंग ऑफ सोशल गॅदरींग वील नॉट हॅपन आनी कोणाक जर श्रद्धांजली दिवपाक जाय वचून भायर सरपाचें रावपाचें ना अशे गोश्टी आमी करतले सो लास्टाक
स्टाफांक
इतलेच ही आतां मामदाराक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिल्या ऑन 3 तालुक्यांक की दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू सी दॅट द गव्हर्मेंट स्टाफ इज वेरिंग मास्क आनी सपोज गव्हर्मेंट स्टाफ इज नॉट वेरिंग मास्क तेजो मामलेदार पंचनामा रिपोर्ट करून तेजो सुपरवायझर धाडटले दे वील हॅव अ मेमो एंड एक्शन वील बी टेकन बाय दॅट पर्टिक्युलर डिपार्टमेंट ऑन हाव टू डू फायन ताका पडटलीच पूण अलॉंग विथ एक्शन फॉर नॉट एडरिंग टू गव्हर्मेंट डायरेक्टिव्ह कित्याक जे गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट जे आज गव्हर्मेंटूच सारके सर्वंट जर काम करना म्हणजे जे आपणाचे सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग जे मास्क घालपाक जाय ते करना जाल्यार मागीर कशें जातलें सो दीस ऑल दीस थिंग्स वील बी स्ट्रीमलायंड आनी हेजे खातीर आमी दवरल्या पोतून 14 तारखेक पोतून आमी मिटींग दवरलेली आसा टू सी वॉट इज हॅपन इन लास्ट वीक हाव मेनी केसीस इन्क्रीज ऑर डिक्रीज आनी कितें आमी करूं शकता ते
The Madkai MLA Sudin Davlikar said that the Home Guard performing duties on Goan roads are suffering along with their families in the absence of non-payment for over 3 months' salary. Now, Sudin has urged the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to urgently release funds for the payments of salaries of the Home Guard and money for the Gೃಹ Lakshmi and Social Security for senior citizens. Sudin Davlikar was speaking while he, along with the local Sarpanch of Marsai, were distributing trees and saplings to the teachers at the Kable Higher Secondary School. Watch.
पन्नास जाणांचो स्वॅब टेस्टिंग केलें काल आमी जवळ जवळ 40 लोकांचे जवळ 100 काय 110 लोकांचे स्वॅब टेस्टिंग केलें आज कालचो जो रिजल्ट म्हाका 50 आयला तो नेगेटीव आयला आनी तळावले येवकेची ना आतां एक म्हाका मॅसेज आयल्या की गाळशिणे पोलीस पॉझिटीव आसा म्हणून पूण तो पोलीस पॉझिटीव आसा की ना हें कन्फर्मेशन म्हाका ना मडकयचें कन्फर्मेशन जो होमगार्ड आसा ताजें कन्फर्मेशन म्हाका आयलां आनी ताका योग्य ती निगा ताच्या घरा जें रेशन नाशिल्लें किंवा इतर जाल्यार आमचो जे कार्यकर्ते आसा म्हणटोय त्या कार्यकर्त्याच्या मार्फत आमी ते पावयल्ले आसा प्रत्येक आमच्या जे कार्यकर्ते आणि पंच आमचे जे आसा ते जबाबदारी घेतले की त्या घरात ते सामान तांकां क्वॉरंटायन जर केलें तांचे कडेन जर कांय ना, कारण आज जो होमगार्ड आसा म्हाज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे गेले 3 म्हयने ह्या होमगार्डांक पयशे पगार दिवना. तांणी जगपाचें कशें? हांव मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन विनंती करता की ताणें हातूंत लक्ष घालचें आनी होमगार्ड हो जो मनीस आसा जो रस्त्यार उबो रावता तांचो जो पगार आडयला तो पगार इमिजिएट रिलीज करचो. कारण काल जेन्ना हांव म्हज्या त्या होमगार्डाच्या घरांत गेलो तेन्ना ताजी परिस्थिती इतली बिकट की ताका 3 म्हयने जाले तो म्हणटा आपले पगार ना. 3 म्हयने होमगार्डा पयलीं पगार डेली वेजीस आसता आनी हो डेली वेज 327 काय 420 रुपया जर ताका टायमार मेळना जाल्यार ताजें कुटुंब जें आसता 4-5 जाणांचें तें ताणें कशें चलोवचें हो प्रश्न आसता. त्या खातीरूच हांव मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन मागतां की होमगार्डाचो जो पगार आसा तो रिलीज करचो. जे जाणट्या लोकांक पेन्शन वता तें रिलीज करचें, गृह आदार जे आसा ते रिलीज करचे आनी लोकांक आदार दिवचो. अंदूचो एक आमी विशय वेगळे तरेन घेवपाचो ठरयलो. मडकय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एज हातूंत म्हटले एकूच जबाबदारी डायरेक्ट मॅनेजमेंट आनी स्कुलाचे प्रिंसिपल, हेडमास्टर्स आनी टिचरां कडेन जर दिली जाल्यार ताका वेगळेपण लागतलें. आनी त्या खातीर अशें निर्णय घेतलो की प्रत्येक स्कूल जे आसा आनी हायर सेकंडरी तांचे पालक शिक्षक संघटनेक आनी हेडमास्टर आनी बाकीचो जो स्टाफ आसा आनी मॅनेजमेंट तांकां एक झाड दिवचें असो ध्येय धोरण दवरून आनी जे हायर सेकंडरीचे पालक शिक्षक संघटना एलॉंग विथ पालक तांकां एक झाड दिवचें, तांकांय एक झाड रावपाक रावचें. म्हणजे एटलिस्ट हो तरी जो एनवायरमेंट आमी पिड्ड्यार करता तो तरी थोडो फार हातभार लागतलो. आनी अंदूच जर आमचे सक्सेसफूल जाले आसत जाल्यार फुडल्या वर्सा इश्कोलाच्या लेवलाचेर प्रत्येक पालकाक आमी झाड दिले. पालकाक दिले म्हणटकीर पंचायतींतले त्या प्रत्येक घराघरांत ते पावता सारकें जाता. कारण थोडे कितेंय भुरगे दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे असतात त्या बद्दल ना. दुसरी गजाल टिचर जे आसा मागीर ते दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे सुद्दां आसूं ताणीय व्हरची. तांकांय जर एक्स्ट्रा जाय जाल्यार वी आर रेडी टू मेक एवेलेबल. आतां हो 4 लेन जाता जाल्यार 70,000 झाडां आमकां पडटा. त्या नंतर महावीर अभयारण्य आसा तें डेव्हलपमेंट झोन म्हणून डिक्लेअर केलां. ताका एनवायरमेंटान क्लिअरन्स दिला आनी तातूंत जवळ जवळ 75,000 झाडां कापली गेली वसली. ही झाडां बेगीन कापची ना, इट वील टेक अनदर 2 years. आनी त्या नंतर तिसरो जो प्रोजेक्ट आसा जो आज आंदोलन जाला, आज तुमी पेपर वाचले आसतले, दॅट इज डबल ट्रॅक रेल्वे. आनी ह्या हेचेर जवळ जवळ 1 लाख झाड बेळगांव टू गोवा भितर सरले नंतर गोवा टू वास्को पर्यंत 1 लाख झाड मारले गेले वचले. आता ह्या सगळ्यातून एनवायरमेंटा विशीं कोणी विचार केला काय कितें तर नकारात्मक भूमिका आसा. आमचो मोपा एअरपोर्ट जेन्ना जालो तेन्ना जवळ जवळ 75,000 झाडां मारचे अशें जाल्ले. पूण त्याच वेळार त्या वेळा वयले मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकरान डिसिजन घेतलें की प्रत्येक झाड जें आसा तातूंत त्याच्या फाटल्यान 5 झाडां लावची. आनी तें चालू केल्ल्यान ही 1,000 झाडां वयल्यान आमकां 2,000 झाडां डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करपाक लागली.
After Mangor Hill residents complained about not receiving proper essential items, the Vasco vegetable market vendors on Monday got together and donated vegetables to all the Mangor Hill residents. Here's more.
On Monday, the vegetable market vendors packed different types of vegetables in bags and handed them over to the residents of Mangor Hill. Earlier, there were complaints from the Mangor Hill containment zone that the residents were not getting enough essential items. Listen in.
PI आमकां आपयलें आनी रिक्वेस्ट केलें कितें म्हणून हांगच्या लोकांक भरपूर त्रास जाल्ले आसा तेन्ना मातसो तुवें जाता कितें हेल्प कर म्हणटा आमी रोखडी मिटींग घेतली. मिटींग घेवन सोमती मागीर आमी उलयलें. उलोवन मागीर आमी आयच्याच भाजी ऑर्डर केली. सकाळच्यान आमी पॅकींग केली. सकाळच्यान पॅकींग करून आतां पॅकींग जाली पळय सोमती आमी ही बॅगां हाडली.
कितली आहा ती बॅग?
आसतली 820 850 आसतली. 800 कमी ना 800 वयर आसा आनी सगळी 5 किलोची वयर आसा.
हे आतां कोणाक खंयचे
हे आमचे वास्को भाजी मार्केट तर्फे सगळ्यांनी मेळून हे केलां. कितें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन केलां पयशे काडून सगळ्यांनी मेळून डोनेशन काडून सगळ्यांनी आमी हे आमचे वास्को भाजी मार्केट तर्फे आमी दिल्ले आसा. आनी सगळ्यां पयलीं आमी आमचो वास्कोचो PI हेजी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कित्याक हेणें आमकां आयडिया दिली लोकांक त्रास जाला मातशें लोकांक हेल्प कर म्हणून.
भाई आता 1 म्हयनो वयर जाला आमी लॉकडावन जाला मांगरान. तशेंच आमकां खूब जाणां कडेन आयकलां तांकां भरपूर प्रॉब्लेम आहा, तांकां भाजी प्रॉब्लेम जाता, ग्रोसरी जावं हे ते भरपूर कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाता. आनी आमकां अशें लागलें की बाबा आमी वास्को भाजी मार्केटान तांकां लागून कितें तरी करपाचें आनी हेच आमी फुडें सरून भाजी मार्केट वास्को भाजी मार्केटान तांकां आयज आमी भाजी प्रोवायड केला. आनी अशेंच आतां वास्को सपोज कंटेनर झोन खंय आहा ताका लागून वास्को भाजी मार्केट सदां फुडें आसतलें ह्या काम.
इधर 4-5 दिन पहले पूरा ग्रोसरी सभी लोग को आया था, लेकिन उसमें से थोड़े लोगों को कम पड़ा है एक साइड के, मतलब एक 60-70 पीसेस. तो जितने भी हमारे सुनने वाले हैं और जो हमारा हेल्प भी कर रहे हैं सभी गवर्नमेंट की थ्रू से, और थोड़े म्यूनसिपाल्टी भी हेल्प किया हमारा ने. म्यूनसिपाल्टी का ग्रोसरी भी हमें मिला और गवर्नमेंट का मिला था, लेकिन थोड़े से कम पड़ गए. मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि सर वो भी जितने बचे हैं और थोड़े घर, आप थोड़ा उनके लिए भी थोड़ा हेल्प कीजिएगा.
Shyam Chari for Goa 365 from Vasco.
Plantation drive was carried out by the Lions Club of Navelim in Navelim on Monday. This is to promote to plant more trees and keep the environment clean. Watch this story in detail.
One in your hand moving.
The International Association of Lions Club यांचो मोटो आसा वी सर्व. आयज हांगा एक ट्री प्लांटेशन ड्रायव्ह घेवन आयलेले आहात आनी आमकां तेंको मेळ्ळा ते गांवचे पेरिश युथांचो, JCI ज्युनियर चेंबर इंटरनॅशनल हेंचो आनी सगल्या तरणाट्यांचो. कित्याक ही जी जबाबदारी आहा ती सगल्यांनी ठरयला की ही आमची जबाबदारी आनी तेंच्यांनी डिसिजन घेला की प्रत्येक झाड जे लायला तिची कुयदाद आमी एकलो घेतलो. सो प्रत्येकान एक जापसालकी घेतली एक झाडाची.
तें काम केलां बिकॉज ऑफ कनेक्टिंग टू दीस आनी आमी जायते आमचे आनी इवेंट जातले लायक क्लीन ड्रायव बिकॉज ही फर्स्ट हो आमचो फर्स्ट स्टेप आमी घेतलो आनी हेज्या वरून आमी करतले अलॉंग विथ द यूथ एंड दी अदर सपोर्टींग मेंबर्स. सो आय होप सगळ्यांनी कॉपरेशन दिलां आमकां, सो ते भाशेन फुडें दिवचें.
आमगे लास्ट ड्रायव केलो ते 2007 हेज्या फाटल्यान मागीर आमी जायत प्लॅन केले करपा अशें करून क्लीन ड्रायव करपा. मागीर अशें करून सपोर्ट मेळपासर रावपा पडला. ते पुसा सगळे आहाय भुरगे, सगळे धारवटी बी घरा आहाय, ते मातशें मुखार चडले, मातशें आदार केला तेका लागून मातशें मुखार चडपा पावले ते. तेका लागून म्हणटा थँक्यू सगळ्यांक, सगळे हाजीर आहले. हांव दिस इज जॉन्सी फ्रॉम जॉन्सी पेरेरा फोटोग्राफी.
Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress President Pratima Coutinho has slammed Ankit Salgaonkar for filing police complaint against her. The complaint accused her of hurting religious sentiments during the protest to oppose fuel hike.
First and foremost, I would like to tell that it's 7th of July today, and I have completed successfully in doing my job, the responsibility given by Rahul Gandhi and my national president Sushmita Dev as the Mahila Congress president. So I complete 3 years today as the Mahila Congress president, state president of Goa. Well, I'm being forced to address the media brothers today because I want my Goan brothers and sisters to know the other side of it. I want the Goan brothers and sisters to know what Pratima has to say say about it. And this is nothing but this is concerning the Fathoda police, where they have registered a FIR on Pratima Coutinho, the State Congress President. They have registered a FIR against me on the basis of complaint filed by one person called Ankit Salgaonkar from Anjuna, wherein the complaint is like Fathoda police files FIR against Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress President Pratima Coutinho, and he says for hurting religious sentiments under section 295A and 285. The complainant is Ankit Salgaonkar has claimed that I have hurt the sentiments during the protest against the fuel hike in South Goa. As everybody knows that in this pandemic, the rates of fuels such as petrol and diesel are gone so high that I can say even the dollar is become less, but the petrol prices are high. Nowhere in the world you will see the petrol and diesel prices being so high, but today the BJP government has failed somewhere and they have hiked the fuel prices like anything, especially during this COVID time. We had an agitation, we had a protest on the 1st of July, and where we had a mock funeral, the way Hindus have, carrying a motorcycle, a motorbike on a pyre. And we went saying, Ram Naam Satya Hai, Ram Naam Satya Hai. I repeat, we only kept saying Ram Naam Satya Hai. Wherein I addressed the media, I went and met the South District Collector Ajit Roy, handed over my memorandum, and then took the bike, put it in the rickshaw. We finished with the agitation. Now this man says, surprising is that they have put a FIR registered on me within a day. Allowed sections like 295A and 285, and saying that I have heard the sentiments of Hindu brothers and sisters. Now I would like to know, the video had gone viral, each and every goal, every person of the state, or maybe in the country also, have seen that video, and they are finding nothing wrong in that. Because what did I say in that? I said Ram Naam Satya. I had Hindu Mahilas in my committee, one of the Hindu Mahilas is sitting here. I had Muslim sisters there, I had Catholic sisters there, and nobody thought that we were doing something wrong. If I have said only Ram Naam Satya, which means I am glorifying Lord Rama. I am glorifying Lord Rama. आम्ही Lord Ram जो असा, ताका हांवें ताचे जयकार केला. I glorified him that there is nothing truth, but only Lord Rama is truth. So where I have heard the sentiments, on the contrary, you should appreciate me that I have glorified a Hindu God Rama. आम्ही किती हिंदू समाजाक गाळी मारल्या, हेट स्पीच केल्या. अरे ती तुमची साध्वी कोण ती सनातन संस्थाची साध्वी आयली गोंयांत कोंडा, आणि ती सांगता घर में तलवार स्टॉक करके रखना चाहिए, पुलिस और लॉ का विश्वास पे नहीं रहना चाहिए. जो बीफ खाते हैं उनको तलवार से मारना है. जिहादी जो करते हैं, व्हाट इज जिहादी? When Muslim and Hindu girl or boy gets married, interreligion, he says that they should be shot. They had a big Sanatan Samvela Ashilya Ponda, and that time where was Ankit? I want to know one thing. Baba Ankit Salgaonkar, from where are you? What is your background? In this 2 days time, I got in touch. Your neighbors have called me. Your people from your constituency have spoken about you. I have been given the background from where you come. So I would like to ask you on this public forum, I would like to ask you in front of the media. My question is, what is your contribution to the society? Have you worked any time for the society? Have you worked? Have you given your time? Have you sacrificed your profession, your children, like me? It is very easy to go for name. If you want some publicity at the cost of Advocate Pratima Coutinho, you tell me. I would tell you to wear something. If you really, if you are power hungry for the fame, don't listen to your godfathers and be a puppet in the hands of your godfathers. अरे, यका अंकित Salgaonkar goes ahead, and it was a breaking news. I saw on the channel. It was a breaking news. He's saying she has heard the sentiments of our Hindus. I'm a Kattar Hindu. Eka Pratima Putino Buddh Shikopak Jai. I will see that FIR is registered on her. I will see that she's behind bars. अरे कोणाचे प्रेशराचेर तूं उलयता अंकीत? तूं चीत मरे पॅन्डेमीक चल्ला लोकांक पयशे ना जेवपाक खावपाक जॉबलेस जाल्ले आसा भुरगे हांगा भाडे दिवपाक तांकां पयशे ना दे डोंट हॅव मनी टू पे देयर रेंट्स दे डोंट हॅव जॉब्स पीपल हॅव लेफ्ट their respective states and gone to their original houses. Here this pandemic and this electricity bills have been shooted up where I have gone with my Mahila with the coffin. That time no Catholic came. Are you trying to say that Catholics and Muslims are tolerant? I am telling you 99% of Hindus have called me and messaged me and said, Pratima, you have not done anything wrong. You have not hurt the sentiments of आमचे हिंदूचे sentiments hurt करू ना. But this boy is trying to somewhere defame you, tarnish you because he is become a puppet of so-called RSS and I guess the government, the BJP government.
As of Tuesday, in Goa, there are total 8 deaths leading to COVID-19 and which have been reported. And on Monday evening, the ex-health minister and the former Saklim MLA, that is Suresh Amonkar, was laid to rest. The final rituals were held on Monday evening and all the rituals were done outside the crematorium and no one was allowed to go inside. Union Minister Payush Shripad Naik, Chief Minister of Goa Dr. Pramod Sawant along with the locals were also present for this rituals. Watch. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this special broadcast News Uncut.